SG Reaction family? It's your boy, SG Reactions right here, man. Yeah, I am supposed to be reacting to something, but I just wanted to say this. Y'all finally got my light. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, bro, everybody got my light now. So y'all got to see me. Y'all can stop complaining. So, y'all. I thank all of my little bit of subscribers, and I love to give 2 shoutouts. One, I'll leave their names right here. I love to give a shout out to Ray Life, In Our Life. Actually, I got more shoutouts. Rockin' by Beauty, and Game My 57. I love to give them 5 people shoutouts. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. Hold up. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to them, like and subscribe to this video, and we will get to the video after this intro. Go to the intro. Just playing. Bye bye. So let's get into this video. We reacting to when your refrigerator talks back. Hold up. Hey! So y'all we reacting to Tuan's TV, and y'all, I meant to say this too. I put a link in the description for a reason. For y'all to click on it. Video show? Are y'all starting my video show? You can connect every single video you have and put it in one thing. All you gotta do is put it in order, then you good. So y'all, let's get into the video. Clock me.
Set my clock, I can't stop. Fuck around, make my 40 pop. No popcorn, I pop pistols, breathing my body. Clothing no issue, bitch you look sick, you need a tissue. You drop a body, I just might bless you.
Bro, can you imagine your stomach sounding like that? I can.
Don't worry, we finna get you right, G. Gotta get serious.
Huh? Well,
So you really gonna take my milk?
what 47 needed?
What you say? You heard me. Now put the milk back and nobody gets hurt. Thank you. Bruh, this gotta be a dream. Am I tripping?
Sorry about that.
Put it back. Bro, come on, fool. Don't care. Put the milk back and nobody gets hurt. Alright.
Can y'all imagine this?
Alright. I'm just put these eggs in. We been letting y'all do this for years, y'all humans. Always taking our eggs, taking our food and everything. What you talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Don't play stupid. Where's all this anger coming from? Anger? Nah, this built up aggression. You know what's been happening. I don't know what you talking about. Okay, so you gonna keep playing stupid? Yeah. Nobody gets hurt. I'm glad you remember. If you not, you finna put that milk back. Put the milk back before I lose my... Put the milk back. I'm not gonna ask you again. Put the milk back. Alright. Now. I'm just get some water. And you still taking stuff from me. Put the water back. Now. I can't drink no water? No, put it back.
Hey,
you got a whole bunch of bottles in there. I don't care. Put it back. I'm thirsty. Alright. Well, I'm gonna do the cereal then. I'm gonna do the cereal then. Alright, I'm gonna just kill your family.
Hey yo, leave in the comments if this
it was just a dream.
Leave down in the comments if this video was funny.
Yeah. We gotta get. Oh, so you wanna die?
I'll break that if you really. Y'all, thank you for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below what else you want me to react to, and y'all, in the people names that I put up there, go subscribe to them or else. Or else. Or else. Or else. What you gonna do? I'm gonna beat you up. So you better go subscribe to him or else. Y'all better get him. Y'all better tell him what's up with me. I'll subscribe to y'all. Just chill. Okay? Chill. Look at me, chill. Yeah, you better. Bro, just chill, bro. I'm gonna do it. Like, just chill. This guy, I don't think it's not voluntary. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. I already said that. And clock out. STB Actions just walked out. Peace out. Yeah.